good thing about my job is I'm quite active, so I'm up and down the ladder. As you can hear the pressure washer going on in the background. It's quite a windy day here today. I'm wet. It's a typical Welsh day. So I'm on my way up the ladder, believe it or not, holding my phone precariously in my hand, and I've reached the top of the side gutters. It's quite high up here. The wind and the rain howling along. There we are, there's the gutters. As I said, they're quite full. And I'm cleaning these out by hand. So I got my gloves stuck on my ladder. It's quite high, look. So I'm cleaning these out by hand. The best thing I can actually do on this job. But good thing is, at least I'm a lot fitter now than I used to be. And I can do this now, whereas before I couldn't get up a ladder. The neighbours gutters here with something in there. I think they need theirs cleaning. I think we need a strimmer on that one. I'm going to proceed with cleaning out this gutter. And then we've got a pressure washing job to do, which wants all the patio clean. So busy day today for Clive. The job I had at Avocado this morning. I know this video has got nothing to do with healthy living and lifestyle, but I just wanted to show you that don't forget to put down as activity what you do for work, because I've got quite an active work life, up and down ladders and things like that, so that's all part and parcel of my calorie count. So I'm burning a lot of calories during the day, besides from going out on the bike and you know, doing some calornetics at home and stuff. So let's see how Mark is doing, shall we? Oh, I'll show you the bucket as well. That's what I've just got out the gutters. There you can see quite a lot of muck in there. So we'll go around now and see how Mark is doing, because he's working quite hard out here. He's pressure washing the outside of the gutters now, because I've cleaned the inside. Not very good. Pause again. Never stops. I've been drier and cleaner. I'm wet. All right, let's get this job finished and get home.